I've covered it with pebbles so it won't be mistaken for a litter box now. And as for the high platforms, they're equipped with safety nets. There's nothing to worry about there. I'm more concerned they won't appreciate my design. Five, 6, 7? Are we actually gonna see 10 kitties dancing on the trunk? That depends on the kitty. As far as I know, a cat can weigh up to 50 pounds. It's unbelievable that a cat can get that big without mutating. Watch out! Treating kitties can be way more expensive than treating people. They have a huge treehouse to explore. Why are they climbing on me? I'm not a cat tree. Wait, this kitty. Nice to see you again, little brat. You wrecked my secret base and tried to bully the designer. Stop acting innocent. Keep your claws to yourself and keep your tail from hitting me. Cats should have manners too. When entering someone else's territory, be polite and always ask for permission before getting up close with another cat's owner. Why are you helping them against me? These kitties are wild. My hair's all messed up now. And it took forever to smooth out my tail. Now I gotta do it all over again. Beautiful things might not last, but moments like these are worth remembering. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. You look happy and cute. The only good thing about this annoying tail is that it brings out such an expression from you, cutie. But I guess it's better if I deal with this burden. It's time for my tail to gracefully retire.